In this video, we will show you how to select a spin-only option without running a full wash cycle on your LG washing machine. This cycle helps to provide additional extraction of excess water from your garments. For LG front-load washers, turn the unit on and without touching the selector dial, move to the spin speed selection button. From there, press the button until you see your desired spin speed highlighted. Then press the start button. The unit will drain any excessive water before it spins, so give it a few minutes to drain. To activate the spin-only feature on your LG top-load washer, press the special use selection button and choose spin only. At this time, select the desired spin speed by pressing the spin speed selection button. Note that the no spin option is not available for top-load washers. Thank you for watching our customer support videos, and we hope you enjoy your LG experience.